Hey guys, it's Jonathan here. Welcome back to my channel, the Jonathan Soto. Happy day. I don't know what day of quarantine we're in, but today I wanted to come on here and make a quick little video of I think they call them hauls. Or I'm just gonna call it unboxing. This is an unboxing video, my very first unboxing video. So right before we went on lockdown, I did a little bit of shopping and I also did some online shopping the last few weeks. So I have everything here and I wanted to share with you guys. And yeah, so if you want to see what I purchased the last few weeks, keep on watching. Alrighty, let's start. I'm gonna start with the newest things that I got. So I did major shopping at Urban Outfitters because I had like two really great, amazing coupons, which was spend $50, get $10 off, and then free shipping. And then even if the items had like additional discount on them, it still like was valid. So a lot of the items were like already 30-40% off. So yeah, I just got a deal on them. Okay, so let's see my first one. Let me get a pair of scissors. Let's see. Here's the package. She's cute. So I bought these sunglasses because I don't have any of these. I don't have a heart-shaped sunglass. So I got these little bad boys. They're so cute. This is like unpackaged. This like little hanging thingy and bobber. So I got these, which were going for $16 original price, and I think I got them for $9. Like, I thought that was a deal. But these, can we get into this? Like, these are so cute. For $9, it's very Bad Bunny like vibes, you know?
Tranqui, yo perreo sola.
Super cute. So that's my glasses that I ordered. Let's see what else. Let's go with this box. I went ahead and I got these like 3-in-1 facial treatments from Art Naturals. If that's what it's called, right? Art Naturals, yeah. I took them out of the package. So they're like, they look like this. Maybe you guys ever seen them. But I went ahead and got these because I actually just recently started using the Art Naturals serums for my face. So I've been using them this whole quarantine pretty much. So I really love their serums. I'm like obsessed with skincare, so these are perfect. So I got this one. This one is rejuvenating face mask skincare little steps, 1, 2, 3. And then I also got a hyaluronic face mask, 3-in-1 little pack. They're like 2 for $5. I figured I'd give them a try, you know? So I got those. And then, like I said, if we have a summer, I got these Kiva sandals. They're so cute. They're like super, like, they're for the summer, springtime, you know, beach, going to the beach or whatever. They're so cute. And then these were going for, I believe they were going for $50, and I got them 40% off. So you guys do the math. I don't like math, so yeah, I got them for a good deal, so. And then plus the $10 off, like, sis, I couldn't say no. So I got that. I'm ready for summer if summer happens. And then let's move on to the next one. Okay. I think this, oh, yep. So these are a pair of Reeboks that I got. These were also on sale, 40% off. So I thought it was a great deal. Do you guys hear that? That was probably my mom making some salsa or something. Excuse that. Back to the shoes. Oh my god, they're so cute. Can we get into this shoe? It's a classic. Super cute. You can never go wrong with a white sneaker. Like, this is so cute. Like, I could finally give my Nike Air Force a break, and like I can switch up to this one now. They're so cute. I have to try them on because I've never owned a pair of Reeboks, so I need to make sure that this is my size. Like, I mean, I'm like different sizes and different shoes. I don't know if you guys are like that. Like, I'm in a size 8 in Converse. I'm a size 8.5 in like my Adidas. I'm a size 8 in Doc Martens. Like, I don't know, it's just it's all over the place with these like brands. They all have different sizing measurings, I guess. But I got these 40% off as well. Original price, I think I got these for $40. Original price is like $80. So almost half off. So right before we went on lockdown, I had gone shopping for like jeans and like pants in general, just for like the spring and like the summer. I'm one to buy pieces. I don't go crazy buying like full-on new wardrobe. I like to buy pieces here and there just to add to my wardrobe for the spring, and then I'll just rework any of my old pieces. That's what I do. I'm sure a lot of people do that too. But anyways, I struggle a lot when it comes to buying denim jeans. Like, the only denim jeans that I love and that fit my body and that fit me great and it look great and I have no trouble with are the most expensive ones ever. The ones from Top Man and Zara. Like, I literally, like, they're just too expensive. Like, I have to buy one at a time. Like, I'm not gonna be splurging like that on jeans, so I gotta do one by one. But anyways, I finally like gave in and I went ahead and tried on denim jeans from H&M, like the ladies department. So I was always iffy or whatever. So I finally tried them on and dude, they fit me. Like, they hug my body just right. And I really have been more into like loose fits. So I got these pair of loose mom jeans from H&M. They're the divided ones. I love it. It's like a great wash. It fits me right. It hugs me. It hugs my baby making hips. I just love them. So I got this pair, and then I got the pair that I'm wearing right now, which, I mean, I don't know if I can show it to you guys. They're like these really cool like white stitching pants. These are cute. So I got these. And then what else did I got? I got this that I'm wearing, but I'm already wearing it. So this, and then what else did I buy? So I also got my monthly product from Hims. So I figured I'd make it a part of the video as well. So it comes in a cute little box like this. And it says, "Future you thanks you." Super cute. You get your multivitamins. Here they are. You get your shampoo, and then you get the minoxidil topical solution as well. And then it's a monthly subscription pretty much. So if you run out of gummies, but then you still have enough shampoo, you could always just go on your account and just, you know, let them know that you don't need like any shampoo, you just need the gummies, or vice versa, whatever the case might be. So you don't have to keep like buying the whole package and then like stacking like up too many gummies or whatever. But it is one a day, so it's 30 gummies, so it's pretty much a month worth supply. That's that, and then that is all that I purchased. That's my first unboxing video. I hope I did it right. I hope you enjoy this, and if you have any questions on anything, or I can link you to like whatever, anything that you saw that you might like, I could totally just throw the links at you, since I already have my previous history of like in my shopping cart, so I could just easily get the links and you don't have to go crazy searching like craziness. But yeah, that's all I got. That means this video's over, and like, no, I'm not gonna have anything to do. Actually, no, I'm gonna have to edit this video. Alrighty guys, that was my video. That was my first unboxing haul video ever. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay indoors, and yeah. See you soon.